Take command of the road in the 2018 Ford F-150. All of the premium features expected of a Ford are offered, including front and rear reading lights, adjustable headrests in all seating positions, a power seat, an automatic dimming rear view mirror, adjustable pedals, and a split folding rear seat. Premium sound drives 7 speakers, providing you and your passengers a sensational audio experience. Ford ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as dual front impact airbags, front and side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, a panic alarm, an emergency communication system, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Electronic stability control ensures solid grip atop the road surface, no matter how challenging the driving conditions. Our sales reps are knowledgeable and professional. Stop in and take a test drive.